Discover the Met Parachute MCR. Parachute MCR is Met's convertible full-face helmet developed for enduro, all-mountain and e-mountain bike riding. It's designed to be truly two helmets in one. The full face has an aggressive look with a protective chin bar. The open face reflects the style of our all-mountain helmets, such as the Met Roam. MCR employs a fast and user-friendly system for fastening and unfastening the chin bar. Unclip the loop of the magnetic system. Rotate to release the magnetic anchors. Pull the chin bar away to detach it from the shell. Align the pins with slots on the helmet shell. Insert the chin bar pins into the slots. The magnetic system will automatically secure your chin bar. MCR is Met's patent-pending system, created in partnership with Fidlock. The visor is flexible injected to adapt to the shell of the helmet in case of a crash, managing the extra rotational forces normally transferred to your neck. It's also adjustable to allow storage of your goggles and sunglasses. The cheek pads are removable and washable, and there are 2 different sizes in the box. The magnetic Fidlock strap fastening system makes securing the helmet simple. Parachute MCR features the BOA Fit system to provide a precise and adaptable fit. Featuring MIPS brain protection system and complying with ASTM 1952, 2032 for shell and chin bar. Parachute MCR provides the highest protection from linear and rotational impacts, whether you prefer to go upwards, sideways or downhill. Ride confident